Just a quick video on building these round corners and these walls here. So, you know, you can, if you wanted to do it perfect, you can put you a straight edge down that wall and go around and mark your radius on the floor and then go back a half inch and trace it out with a cardboard template. Cut you a circle or whatever, make your top and bottom board. And I just nail these 2x4s in from each end. Set it over there, put a screw here, and then at an angle put one there and one there. Left me a gap to get my screw gun in. Then I take a piece of sheetrock, cut it, score it, put it like that, and then I can take and trowel that out. I'm just kind of matching something here, and if I want to make this more solid, drill a hole through here and put some spray foam inside there whenever I'm done. Anyway, cool. Hope it helps.